In this video, I will show you how you can connect your AirPods with your iPad Air. Now before we start, just make sure that your AirPods are fully charged. If your AirPods are low on charge, just plug your AirPods into charge for 20 to 30 minutes. And after you charge your AirPods, then on your iPad, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Bluetooth. If it is turned off, just turn it on. Now after that, just grab your AirPods and open the lid. And after you open the lid of your AirPods case, this pop-up will appear on the screen of your iPad. Now just tap on Connect to connect your AirPods with your iPad. Now for example, if you're unable to see this pop-up on the screen of your iPad, then in that case, just open the lid of your AirPods case, then double tap on the LED on your AirPods case. And once the LED starts blinking white, it will enter into pairing mode. Now, once your AirPod enters into pairing mode, you will find this pop-up on the screen, and if you even did not find this pop-up on the screen, your AirPod will appear under other devices. Now just tap on the name of your AirPods to connect your AirPods with your iPad. If you have an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to enter into pairing mode on those AirPods, just open the lid of your AirPods case, then press and hold the button at the back of your AirPods until this LED starts blinking white. And after that, your AirPods will enter into pairing mode, and you can tap on Connect on the screen to connect your AirPods with your iPad, or you can tap on the signal of your AirPods under other devices. And by doing that, you will connect your AirPods with your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.